guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we shall be adding just a nav bar on top of what we've done so far. So if you've not been following my tutorial, please go back and check out every video in this tutorial. So in the base file that you created, this is the base file that you created, the HTML file that you created, that will be inheriting almost everything. You're going to add just after the body. So this is going to be part of the inheritance. So every time you inherit, you extend from the base file. Yes. Under here, under the body, you're going to create a nav item. So we shall give it a class. According to our CSS Bulma, we can give it a class of Nav-Bar. Then just say is light because we want it to be light. Then we shall also give it a role of navigation. Then give it an area label of you can give it top navigation. Let's just give it main navigation. For actually we close here. Then yeah, that's it. So we close it. Yeah, I'm going to hard code everything here so that you see what is actually happening. So under there we're going to have our logo. We're going to place our logo in here. We shall create a div. Then we'll call it Nav-Bar brand, a class of Nav-Bar brand. Then let's first close it here. So under this div we're going to have an anchor tag. So we can create an anchor tag like this. Then we give it a class of it's actually a Nav-Bar item. We're going to have a logo in here in this anchor tag, so we can close it here. So under here we're going to have we can create an image file, which is going to be coming from let's look for a logo. Let's look for a logo. Let's say to do logo. Go to images, then under image let's use Google Advanced Tools here for searching. Color, we need transparent. We need a transparent color. Then size, we shall need an icon size. So this is what is listed up. So if we chose, you can choose anything here, it doesn't matter. Let's choose this is licensed. Yes. So let's get something else. Let's choose this. Or we can actually go with yeah, let's go with this. Let's copy it. Under copy image address, you copy it and you come and paste it in here. Then let's first close here. So let's see if this actually is being rendered. Fresh. Yeah, we see it's actually being rendered. Perfect. So what next is we are going to, you can give it a size if you want to, but let's leave that at that for now. Then let's head over to another item that we shall be creating. So basically we shall have let's just put our home home word, just to let the user know that we are actually at home. We have arrived. So we can say div class navbar menu. Then under here, that's when we shall have everything actually. So let's first close this div. So under this div, we're going to have where the navbar starts from. So we shall create another div. We shall have a class of navbar start. So let's first close it here. So under this div, we shall have a home keyword. So we can actually also wrap it under, since it's a navbar item, we can actually create an anchor tag, and we just say class navbar item, and we close it here. Then write in their home. Yeah, that's it basically for now. So if you go back to your changes, refresh, yeah, perfect. So we have our home. So let's go back to our code. So now we need to add, we shall add something small. We shall maybe in our particular to-do list, we're going to let the user be able to put a to-do list directly from our navbar. So we shall see this in a moment. Let's just create another div here. We give it a class of navbar end. So this is going to be our end. So we first close it here. This is going to be like a navbar end. So at the end of the navbar, what do you want to see? So under here we can have another div, which is going to be basically a navbar item. It's going to be holding all these items. Let's close it here. Then under this div, those items, we shall have now our form. Let's have our form. We shall see why we need a form in a moment. So under this form, we can have we can create another div. That's Bulma CSS has something called add-ons. Let's create another div. We shall call it a div class form. Let's say field has is actually, I think, like this, has add-ons. So let's close this. This field is one which is going to contain everything about. So we're going to create an input class, but first and foremost, I like putting everything under a div. So I'm going to create another div. I'm going to give it a class of control. Let's make sure that everything is in control, that is inheriting whatever information we are putting here. So we close it here. So actually, we're going to create two divs. One is going to be an input, another is going to be for submit a button. So under this div, we're going to add an input tag. Then type is going to be text. Then class, can have a class of input. Then We can add maybe a placeholder. We say can say anything here, just say add to do. Let me just close this. So add to do, and you can do that for now. Yes, just a second. Yes, so I think we are good here with that to do. So if then under here we're also going now to add our button, which is going to have a class. We can have it a class of button. It's class button, and then it's going to be type submit. We can close it off like this, and maybe let it have a text. Let it have submit as text. Yes, so far this is our code. We should be good. Maybe this button, there's something under. There's something since we're going to be creating this button as a submit button, let's create it as a link. So we shall say is link. So this button is going to be acting as a link. We shall see this in the next video why we called it a link. Yes, that's it for so far. Let's go back and refresh. Yeah, perfecto. So everything is looking fine and smooth. So except that our button here is white, we can choose to make this, we can choose to create a color for this, and to do this can first go back. Let's first see if we can change this under form and the navbar item. This is the navbar item control type button submit. Yeah, we can first go with this. We shall do that in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'm glad that you did this. So everything is working well and good. Yeah, so we shall be using this button to add stuff here. That's why I created this input here. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Have a great one.